When you're in your library page in Pearson Active Learn, you can scroll down to the Maths Progress 2nd edition icon, and clicking on that brings up 9 available books. The first 3 you'll see are Core Textbook 1, 2 and 3. The core textbooks cover the main curriculum content for this series, and Textbook 1 is equivalent to Year 7, Textbook 2 is equivalent to Year 8, and Textbook 3 is equivalent to Year 9. I'm going to open Core Textbook 1 so we can have a look inside. Make sure that your window is the right size so that you can use the bar at the bottom to navigate if you want to. And I will scroll through to Unit 1, Analysing and Displaying Data. Each unit is split up into roughly 7 or 8 lessons, and each lesson starts with a warm-up question. And there are key points and worked examples that can take you through the content of the lesson. It starts off relatively easy and progresses to more problem solving and reasoning type questions. At the end, there is a challenge question, which is like an investigation, and this may or may not have a correct answer, but it's about delving a bit further into the maths that you've just learned. There's also, very importantly, especially for working at home, a reflect question. And this is especially useful if you want to make sure that you're really embedding what you've just spent your time doing. So look back on what you've learned. How have you learned it? What did you find difficult or easy? And what problems did you come across? There's also 3 support books, Support Book 1, 2 and 3. And these cover the same content as the core textbook, but at a slower pace and with more scaffolding and support. And those support books are for students who might need a little bit of extra help with some of the topics in the core textbook. And there are 3 depth books. Again, they cover the same content, but at a greater level of depth, unpicking some of the key mathematical concepts at each lesson. And these include extra problem solving and reasoning type questions. One final thing that is useful to see: in every single book there is an answer section at the very end, and you can use the contents bar to scroll down, and there are answers for every single lesson that's available. Thank you.